Hi, it's Stu Bear from the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear YouTube channel. Well, on today's video, we're going to do another one of our tips, tricks and hacks. And as you can see how white and horrible that's gone. Okay, now this is following on from a video we did once before about how to do the side mirrors here. Yeah, I'm going to redo those because they're got a bit whitey grey. As you can see, they should be really nice and black, so you can see how they look at the moment. But what we're going to concentrate on at the moment is to show you just how good this stuff is. It's Turtle Wax Black in a Flash is what it's called, and as you can see, I've done just a little bit there. Okay, so I'm going to go along and do the rest of it to show just how good this stuff really is. So hey, stay with us. Now when I do this, I normally do it over a couple of days. So the first section over there, you see I did that 2 days ago. So we'll just rub this in, and so I'll give it probably 3 coats today, and then in a couple of days just go over it again. But already you can see it's bringing it back. And I've tried other products before, but nothing is as good as this Turtle Wax Black in a Flash. And underneath the video you'll be able to see a link that you can actually get this from Amazon, and if you do purchase it via that link, you certainly help the YouTube channel as well. We get a very small referral for it, and just a couple of pence, but it all certainly adds. So there we go, on just that little tiny bit we've done so far. And if we have a look at this particular mirror, because this has been getting most of the sun, there we go. So we're going to do a before and after, and just to prove there's no cheating going on, we're not putting covers on or anything. There we go, let's put that there. So coat number 1, this is probably going to take maybe, again, I would say 3 coats. But look at that already. Is that just amazing, the difference? That certainly is making a huge difference. And that's just in a couple of seconds. Now see that bit there? You watch the grey and white effect completely disappear. We're going to do. Okay, so we've almost finished coat 1, and we'll just put a little bit more on there. Another handy little tip, I also tend to use just a bit of kitchen towel that just seems to be just a little bit more abrasive, and but not being too much, and that tends to last longer, and you can keep rubbing the Black in a Flash. I keep on doing that. Why this particular vehicle, it's Fiat Ducato, and on these, if ever you've had the problem where water is not it's staying literally all the way along here, what happens is, I don't know if you could see this, but let me see if I can find it for you. Right about there, there's a little bung, okay? So every now and again, what I tend to do, don't use a pressure washer, just get a hose pipe and just feed some water through there, and you'll find any blockages will soon be cleared. And exactly the same, this one's a little bit harder because it's hiding behind there. But the last thing you want is a build-up, constant build-up of, at one point I had water right up here. And of course, I suppose it's not going to do the wiper mechanism any good. So it's right about there. So just get a little stool or something to stand on so you can see it. Hose pipe through there, clear it, and you'll be fine. Okay, so you saw what it was like when we first started. And this is just part one. What we're going to do over the next few days, I'm going to do a little bit more tomorrow, but already just look at the difference. And that is literally just in a couple of minutes. And we'll move quickly along to the wing mirror. Okay, so I haven't rubbed this in very much yet, but it's just had the one coat on it. It's still drying, as you could see. So we could do with just putting a little bit more. Let's get the black in a flash. Pop a little bit more on there. Give that a rubbing with this. And once this is dried, just go over with a microfiber cloth and just buff it up a little bit. But just look at the difference. That is back to black. It's not called back to black, which is what I keep calling it. Black in a flash. Absolutely brilliant stuff. And as I said at the beginning, probably do this throughout the summer, every few months. Well, basically, whenever it starts looking a grey-white colour. There we go. Don't worry about the fact that it's like that at the moment. When that's dried, we will buff that up. But that's the bit we did yesterday. As you saw earlier, it was all grey, and that is just today. And there we go. Look at the difference on those. Again, this has only just been put on, so we'll buff that up a little later. And of course, anything on the inside, it'll keep these absolutely looking like brand new. As the cat, the cat's inside here at the moment. I must remember, we don't want the cat staying in. It's there he goes. That's Wizard, by the way. Jasmine is fast asleep at the moment, and definitely knowing that pretty soon we'll be going off on our travels again. Okay, so just look at the difference. Looking good already, but it'll look even better in a couple of days, so stay with us. Well, we've put 3 coats of the black in a flash. So with there we go. So let's move this along. Okay, so I'm sure from the first video clip that we did earlier, you could see a difference. So we're just going to buff that up just a little bit. Okay, and just look at the difference from what it was like earlier. Absolutely amazing. Perfect weather for it as well. It's wow, isn't it the most beautiful day today? It's gorgeous. Okay, so as you can see, I'll move back a little bit. That really has done a fantastic job of that. Let's have a look at the wing mirrors. And there we go. You could see earlier in the video, they were all white and grey. There we go. We're just going to buff it up a little bit. There we go. Give it the finishing touch. And really, it's as easy and as quick as that. We've given it, as I said, 3 coats. There we go. Absolutely stunning. They look like brand new, don't they? And hey, I get nothing from this. I'm not selling the damn thing, but it's just something that I've found, because I thought, gosh, such a shame that these were going all grey and white. Also, those bits there, inside the handles, anything thing that's a grey or black colour on your motorhome. Even the interior, you'll find it works an absolute treat. This is the second day, so yesterday we added the 3 coats and left it overnight, and then we're just giving this a bit of a buff up now with a microfiber cloth. And I don't need to say any more, really, do I? I think the video shows what a fantastic job it really does. So there we go, back. It's black in a flash. Check it out. Underneath the video you'll see there's an affiliate link that will take you to Amazon. You'll be able to order it from there, and if you do, we just get probably 2 pence but it all helps. So definitely check it out. More coming up on tips, tricks and hacks right here on the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear. Stay with us. Don't forget, give it a comment and let us know what you think. Put a comment in, say hi, how you doing, and also, hey, don't forget to subscribe. Be great to have you on board right here with the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear. We'll be back again with lots more very, very soon. Thank you for watching.
Hi, it's Stu Bear from the Travelling Bear YouTube channel, and as a big thanks for everybody watching the videos and subscribing, we've got a great offer for you. It's from the Kent and Sussex Tea and Coffee Company, and for all you great viewers, you can get 15% off every single order. All you need to do is just at the checkout use the code, and that code is CAMPING, CAMPING. It's all uppercase, and the link is underneath the video right now. So enjoy the tea and keep on enjoying watching Travelling Bear with Stu Bear.